In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence, or AI, is shaping the future of work like never before. Let's explore how AI is transforming industries, the new opportunities it's creating, and how to prepare for this new era. AI technology is revolutionizing diverse sectors, from healthcare to manufacturing and everything in between. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees up time for employees to focus on more strategic, creative, and impactful work. As AI becomes more integrated into the workplace, some jobs will inevitably be displaced. However, AI also creates new opportunities in areas like AI development, data analysis, and ethics. To thrive in the AI-driven future of work, individuals need to continuously upskill and reskill. This means embracing lifelong learning and adapting to new technologies and job requirements. While AI excels at technical tasks, the importance of human skills like empathy, communication, and critical thinking will only grow. These uniquely human qualities help to foster trust, collaboration, and creativity in the workplace. AI is undeniably shaping the future of work, bringing both challenges and opportunities. By embracing continuous learning and nurturing our human qualities, we can adapt and thrive in this rapidly evolving landscape. The future is ours to shape. Let's build a world where AI and human ingenuity work hand in hand for the greater good.